March dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I will show you how you can do this viral add your sticker right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you will have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, which is here. Then search for Ali and John YTT. Now from this place you will have to go to March dump add highlights. If you go to my stories, then you have to know that the stories will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. And if the highlights are not loading, don't worry because I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. Now click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you can also find a YouTube tutorial that will help you with this problem in the description box below. Now you just have to go to your uploads and choose your first photo for March dump. First, I will go with this photo. Now you can place it where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And you have to make place for another 4 photos, 3 photos, or how many photos you want to add into your March dump. Now to add another photo, you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, which is here. Scroll down and click on this plus icon and it will get you once again to your gallery, and you can choose your second photo. Then you have to add that photo right here, place it where you want, and then to add another photo you have to click once again on stickers on the top of the screen, click on this plus icon and add your third photo, and so on. But I will leave it just like this for now. And when you're done, you just have to share this with your friends. So guys, if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because I will post soon more videos like this one. You can also comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.